Alright, here we are, coming at you from the Action Center. Right now I'm on a 1987 Oldsmobile 98 model heater core leak. I already have it partially tore up, tore down, broke apart, whatever. Let me have you take a little peek. Okay, the first thing is that the coolant started leaking into the floor there. It's soaked. Heater core is here in the engine bay. Requires the removal of the AC components. Luckily it was already leaked. It was already a leaker, so there was just a little squirt of it in there. Made it a lot easier. So gotta remove some items here to get into it, and coolant's already been drained, so it makes it a little easier from this point forward. Alright, I got a little bit further. I started taking apart some hoses so I can start doing the pull, and I find out that there's a couple hoses need replaced. Pretty bad connections, probably corrosion. Here on this side, right below the throttle body.